Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Travel, where we talk about everything from travel to personal credit to business credit to be able to allow you to travel for free or at a very discounted amount. We want you to be able to see the world, and by getting personal credit and business credit, we realize that that is a tool that's going to allow you to be able to travel for a very little amount. So helping you get business credit cards that have nice sign-on bonuses and combining them with personal credit cards to be able to use those sign-on bonuses is going to coupling those together will allow you to take trips around the world for very discounted amounts in business class, first class, also being able to stay at luxury hotels at a very discounted rate or for free. Also being able to take care of some of the transportation challenges like rental cars and stuff like that will allow you to be able to take advantage of those services by having these products. Also with like companies like American Express, where they give you $15 a month of Uber credits. We help you be able to get yourself qualified for these type of products so that you can actually enjoy them and be able to use them along your travel journey. So we're promoting this month. We're talking a lot about our business software that helps your company have everything it needs to be compliant, everything it needs to be bankable, everything it needs so that the underwriter does not see your business as being risky. Okay, so we're going to go deep today into something called NAP validation. NAP validation really just stands for your name, address, and phone number. We're going to talk to you about why that's so important, making sure that information is found everywhere and it matches the way it needs to match. Okay, but before we get into that, let me tell you a little bit about our private school group community. We want you to be able to become a member of our school group community. If it's something that sounds like it may fit, what we're going to be sharing inside of our group is going to be more information regarding travel, of course, and travel hacking, some travel hacking tips. We're also going to be providing you more information about business and personal credit, how to get qualified for some of these business and personal credit cards that we can share more in depth that we can't do here. We'll have some courses, some free courses as well for you to be able to take advantage of. Also, we have inside of our information network group, we're going to have how to buy commercial real estate. We're going to have some courses and we're going to have some coaches explaining some things about that. We're going to be going live so you can ask us a bunch of questions if you want and get more information. So we want to be able to pour into you there. So that's a group where there's going to be like-minded individuals where you can come and be a part of our group. To get access into our group, we just ask that you watch this video in its entirety to get the code so that you can use that code to be able to plug it in to get you free access into our group. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to share some information that's inside of our business software. Also provide you with a small clip that's inside of our software to give you more information on what this NAP stuff is. All right, so firstly, NAP validation is the new standard requirement for having your business listed on the mobile map services such as Google, Apple, Facebook, Uber, and OnStar services. NAP stands for what I mentioned before, name, address, phone number. NAP is critical if you want your business to rank well in local search results because search engines take NAP into account when determining which companies to show on their local results. So NAP validation is also required by the existing mobile map services and newer voice search assistant services like Alexa, like Apple Siri, right? The business name used for validation must be listed correctly and not conflict or be confused with other local businesses. So the address for the business needs to be recognized by the U.S. Postal Service as well as a valid business address. Residential or mail stop addresses will not validate. Okay, very important to know. The business phone number must be an area code that is local to the business address being validated, right? So your business area code must match your business address. Very important information for you to know there as well. Once you make sure that your NAP is correct, you must post it both on your website as well as on other sites throughout the internet. Search engines will cross-reference your NAP information from a variety of websites as validation that you are a legitimate business. The NAP protocol was developed to fight spam sites. The goal is for search services to promote only real businesses. Therefore, consistent NAP information on sites ranging from local directories like Foursquare, Yelp, the Yellow Pages will build up your consistent NAP information and results in your business being able to be listed everywhere you want it to be. So what does your current NAP validation look like? Do you know? Right? If not, you can click the link below to run a free business success scan, and we'll show you exactly where you currently sit with your NAP validation and provide you with the resources to optimize your business, right? So we provide you in our website to run your business through our free success scan. You can put your business information in there and run yourself through our system, and it will be able to do that. That's completely free. And if you want, we will also get on the phone with you, give you more information and guidance about just that. All right. So I'm going to share with you one of the videos that explains this a little more in depth on our business coaching site.
NAP validation is the new standard requirement for having your business be listed on mobile map services, such as Google, Apple, Facebook, Uber, and OnStar services. NAP stands for Name, Address, Phone Number. NAP is critical if you want your business to rank well in local searches, because search engines take NAP into account when determining which companies to show local results. NAP validation is also required by the existing mobile map services and the newer voice search assistants like Amazon's Alexa and Apple's Siri. The business name used for validation must be listed correctly and not conflict or be confused with other local businesses. The address for the business needs to be recognized by the U.S. Postal Service as a valid business address. Residential or mail stop addresses will not validate. The business phone number must have an area code that is local to the business address, and it must also contain a prefix that validates for the business's address. Once you make sure that your NAP is correct, you must post it both on your website as well as any other sites that you list your business. Search engines will cross-reference your NAP information from a variety of websites as a validation that your business is legitimate. The NAP protocol was developed to fight spam sites. The goal is for search services to promote only reliable businesses. Therefore, consistent NAP information on sites ranging from local directories like Foursquare, Yelp, and the Yellow Pages will result in your business being listed everywhere you want it to be.
Right. So there you have it, guys. Wanted to be able to share that little bit of information with you. We're going to provide you all the tools that you're going to need to make sure your business is well equipped and ready for whatever the underwriter wants to be able to see. So being able to be found across social media sites, being able to have all the boxes checked off is going to be your best bet. We go in depth with making sure that everything checks out within our business software. We have a robust system. We also have a robust coaching program to be able to help you throughout this whole process, where we're helping you get qualified for funding, helping you be able to get some of these other debt weapons to be able to allow you to be able to have more freedom. Because freedom is what we're after, guys. We're after time freedom. We're after space freedom to be anywhere we want to be. We're after financial freedom so that we can actually live the lifestyle that we want to be able to have. And that's what we want for you. We want to pour into you as much value value as we can. This is completely free information for you guys to be able to take what you want with it. If you want to learn more, feel free to click the link below. Once again, I told you about our free private school group community that we have. In order to get access into that group, you can use this title of this YouTube channel that we just, the YouTube post that we just posted. Use this and post that this is where you saw us, and put it inside of the school group application to be able to become a member. And we would love to have you. We're going to go in depth even more in that group about travel. We're going to go more in depth about personal and business credit. We're going to go deeper into real estate acquisitions, and particularly multifamily, where some of you will even get the opportunity to joint venture with us in some of our acquisitions. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, we'd love to have you. Thank you for your time. We do realize that your time is way more valuable than money, and we want to thank you for sharing it with us. If you want to hear more videos just like the one we have here, and more information about some of these our software that we are posting, please hit the notification bell so that you can know when we post our next video. Hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button so that we can actually promote our product even more and help as many more people as we can. Once again, thank you for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you again.